Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a updated how I clean my makeup brushes. So before I used to use water and use face wash and sort of rinse it off and kind of put the brush in my hand and swirl it around. That I don't do that. I don't actually do that anymore. I would do this in the bathroom, but I've just got like a little tin for now just to kind of show you a few. Just so it's a bit easier for me to show you. And I actually use my Sigma Spa, like this. You've got lots of different sides. So you've got Refine, Wash, Rinse, Refine Plus, Wash, and Refine again. And then, so I use that, and I also just use warm water and Johnson's baby shampoo. It doesn't matter what baby shampoo, it's just I picked this one up. Yeah, I've been using this for a little while now to clean my brushes and I really love it. So I'm gonna just jump on into the video. Okay, so I've got a brush like this. I'm really dirty. Let's just listen. So I'm gonna get this like this and I'm gonna use this side. I'm just going to put some of the baby shampoo directly on here. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I've not put tons of. I'm just going to dip this in some water. And then it's got some water on it, and then I'm just going to start using circular motions and just going it, circle it and then back and forth along here. Kind of do it till I get like that sort of look. Then I'm going to go back in with the water. Sorry if you can hear the wind, it is so windy today. On the rinse side, just to kind of make sure everything's out. Get some clean water and go on the refined side. So I've got this eyeshadow brush that's really dirty. And again, just put it on the wash side and just keep going around in circular motions. I really love the baby shampoo because I feel like it really does get into your brushes and like cleanse them so good. And I love this just because I feel like this kind of gives your brush bristles a really good massage and like makes all the shampoo kind of get right in there. Rinse. So yeah, that is now all of my brushes that needed cleaning, all clean, and they're just kind of sitting in my little holder. So yeah, this was just a really short video on showing you guys how I now clean my makeup brushes compared to how I used to. I do prefer the baby shampoo method a lot more. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!